morning pals. I haven't done a what I eat in a week video in like over a year, and I've just got a text. Good timing. So I thought it'd be time to do a what I eat in a week, and because me and Adam live together and we eat together, it'll be what he eats in a week as well. So double edition. So for breakfast, it is Monday. I've got some soya strawberry yogurt with some muesli. I'd normally have like blueberries or something with it, but we've been away for the weekend, so I need to do a food shop today because we've got like not very much in. And this is some Scots brew tea with a bit of honey. What did you have for breakfast, Nugget? Did you have some rabbit food? He's molting, by the way. That's what that patch on his back is. Are you after my yogurt? Little Nugget. Is that what you're after? He's a massive fan of yogurt. I don't know if that's a weird thing for a rabbit to like, but he loves it. So I usually give him my bowl to lick out afterwards. I always get hungry about 11 o'clock, and I'd normally have a smoothie as a snack, but I don't have anything in for that. So I'm having scones and jam, because it's important not to do a food shop when you're hungry. No, monkey, get off my scone. You're so rude. He just wants the scone crumbs. No, he's gonna eat the actual thing. Stop it! We are also trying to be a little more conscious of our plastic use and like plastic packaging. So I'm going to this like Whole Foods store that I've heard about. I've not been to before, so we'll see what it's like and see if I can get a load of veggies and things like that that aren't wrapped in plastic packaging but are still affordable. So we'll see what it's like. This is how we make our shopping list, by the way. This board is from B&M, and we basically look at everything that we have in the cupboards and see what we can make from that. And then we think about what meals we want to have, try any new recipes, things like that, and then form the shopping list from this. So we did this yesterday, and I need to do the shopping list for this. And we don't plan the weekend because we can't plan that far ahead, and we don't know what we're gonna want to eat that far ahead. And there's usually loads of leftovers from the week, so we just eat them. Not a bad haul. The shop was called Locavore, and it's like literally down the road from us. How lucky is that? So I got some spinach. This is some pumpkin seeds. I like to put them on my cereal, and also Bunny likes to eat them. Got some carrots, some chili and ginger for the dal, a pepper, potatoes for my chips, and some sweet potatoes for the dal. And I'm so excited to try these on the pizza. Apparently they melt really well, so I'm really excited about that. And that was all like £9 something, which isn't too bad. And then I got some strawberries. There was a little market on my way back that was like 2 for £1.50, so that's not bad. But I do have a couple of extra things, so I'm gonna head to Morrison's after my lunch. We are having paella, which Adam has kindly cooked for us. And it was very, very spicy, so we put some cheese in to simmer it down. Is that a tasty box you got there? Is that your lunch bun? It is Tuesday lunchtime, and I have a paella enchilada with a bit of spinach on top. I kind of burnt it this time though. And a cup of tea. The paella recipe that we used last night and this kind of adaptation of it is from one of my recent videos where I ate paella for 5 days in 5 different ways. So I'll link that up there if you want to see the recipe and if you want to see all of the different ways that I ate my paella, but this is one of them. Tonight we are having vegan carbonara, which is a Tesco recipe, and I'll put the recipe in the description because this vegan cheese sauce, oh my god, is so good. These are marinated mushrooms with like soy sauce and paprika, and they're the vegan bacon in inverted commas, and they're so good as well. Just the whole thing, amazing. And because, it's so hot. And because the recipe involves white wine, we now have the rest of the white wine to drink. What a shame. Get in my face. Smoothie time. This one's got bananas, spinach, strawberries and blueberries in it, and a little bit of soy milk. For my lunch, I've got chips and a burger and sriracha mayo, although the oven didn't really cook the chips properly and they're kind of like Oops, I've just dropped one on the floor. Bunny can eat that. Yeah, they're not crispy, they're just kind of like floppy. And the burger's not crispy either, so that's kind of annoying. It's 3 o'clock and I'm peckish, so I have a little peanut butter sandwich and a cup of tea.
Look at that lasagna. I would help, but I'm creating art.
Oh my god, look at that! I'm so proud of that. I was so hungry, I just scoffed that down like immediately. So what's in it is carrots, peas, sweet corn, peppers, mushrooms, onions, garlic, lentils, kale, and then the white sauce and cheese and the lasagna sheets. I totally forgot to film yesterday's dinner because I went out for dinner with a friend, but I had half of a huge pizza that had aubergines and garlic and tomato and parmesan on it. Very, very tasty. We have some vegan mozzarella slices on our naan bread pizzas, and it's like 10 o'clock and this is our dinner because we've been out.
And I've been drinking.
The cheese actually melted!
No.
I decided I'd only do 5 days rather than 7 because the video was getting kind of long. Let me know if you found this interesting. I find these really interesting because I'm just dead nosy about what people like to eat. And let me know if you want to see any more foodie things, or like, I've seen some people do like a food and exercise, like what I do for food and exercise in a week. So if you want to see that, let me know and I'll do it. This wasn't a very typical week with the going out for a pizza halfway through the week. Normally we just eat in a lot of the time, even though we do really like eating out. But that was kind of like a typical meal plan that we'd usually go with, and we are pretty flexible with it. We're not like rigid to the meal plan. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my stuff. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!